course of my 15-year journey as a wheel enthusiast has been a thrilling ride through the world of inline skating and skateboarding. This passion has allowed me to witness and experience firsthand the evolution of wheeled transportation, from mastering the fluid motions of traditional skateboards to embracing the cutting-edge technology of electric models. Each step has opened up new avenues of exploration. This ongoing adventure continues to fuel my excitement and push the boundaries of what's possible on wheels. There are many electric skateboards to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best electric skateboard from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Coroma Electric Skateboard. The Coroma Electric Skateboard is a cutting-edge transportation solution for adults and teens, combining safety, performance, and featuring dual 3550 brushless hub motors. This e-skateboard achieves impressive speeds up to 18.6 mph with a range of 12 miles. Its advanced technology includes a smart battery system, 3 cruise speed controls, and a 2.4 wireless remote. Safety is paramount with shutdown protection, low battery alerts, auto lock, and loss of signal safeguards. Constructed from durable 8-ply maple wood, it supports up to 300 pounds, ensuring stability and longevity. The board undergoes rigorous testing and comes with a 180-day warranty, demonstrating Coroma's commitment to quality. With individually monitored battery modules and UL-approved protection features, this electric skateboard offers peace of mind alongside thrilling performance. Number 2. Blitzer Hurricane Electric Longboard. The Blitzer Hurricane Electric Longboard is a state-of-the-art personal transportation device that combines speed, range, and durability. The updated wireless remote offers intuitive control over acceleration, deceleration, and reverse functions, with 2 speed modes catering to both beginners and experienced riders. A convenient hold function assists in mounting and dismounting the board safely. The Longboard's deck is a masterpiece of engineering, featuring 7 layers of maple wood sandwiched between 2 layers of bamboo, providing the perfect balance of flexibility and sturdiness. Premium grip tape and a concave design ensure rider stability, supporting up to 250 lbs. Number 3. Iandwheel Electric Skateboard. The Iandwheel V6 electric skateboard is the perfect entry-level e-board for riders of all ages seeking a compact, fun, and efficient mode of transportation. With a top speed of 12 mph and a range of 8-10 miles, this pint-sized powerhouse is ideal for navigating city streets or cruising through campus. The trusted new version lithium battery ensures reliable performance, while the wireless remote control offers seamless speed modulation, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Measuring just 27.5 inches in length, the V6 is incredibly portable and easy to store. Its manageable size doesn't compromise on stability or control, catering to both novice and experienced riders. Whether you're commuting to work or zipping around town, the Iandwheel VI6 eliminates the need for traditional skateboard pushing, offering a cool and convenient riding experience. Number 4. WindSeeker Electric Skateboard. The WindSeeker Electric Skateboard H22 is a cutting-edge, all-certified e-board that combines safety, performance, and customization. Boasting a 6-month warranty, this versatile skateboard is perfect for riders of all ages and skill levels. Its 350 Ws motor offers 3 speed modes: low, E, medium L, and high, catering to both beginners and advanced skaters. It provides a range of up to 5 miles and recharges in just 2 hours. The innovative auto boot feature activates the board when gliding, eliminating the need to bend down and manually start it. WindSeeker adds a personal touch with customizable stickers for the remote control, allowing riders to express their style. Safety is paramount, ensuring peace of mind. Whether as a gift or personal transportation, the H22 delivers an exhilarating ride while emphasizing the importance of protective gear. Number 5. JKING Electric Skateboard. The JKING Electric Skateboard is a cutting-edge personal transportation device that combines power, portability, and safety. Boasting a UL2272 certified 29.4 V2000 mAh lithium battery, this e-board reaches speeds up to 12.48 with a range of 5.2 miles on a single 2-hour charge. Designed for riders age 12 and up, it features a 27.75-inch deck crafted from premium, waterproof PP material, offering both flexibility and durability. With an IP64 waterproof rating and high-density emery non-slip surface, It ensures rider safety in various conditions. The board's 350 brushless hub motor outperforms traditional belt drive motors in reliability and versatility, supporting a 5-day climbing angle and allowing use as a regular skateboard when unpowered. Weighing just 8.8 lbs and capable of supporting up to 160 lbs. This portable e-skateboard is perfect for commuting or leisure rides. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.